Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Chloe Cooks in the Kitchen. Today we're going to do some easy Coca Cola chicken wings with, of course, some flavors from the Caribbean as well. All of the ingredients used in this video will be listed in the link below. Let's get cooking. Right, let's prep the wings. I've already washed my chicken wings thoroughly, and I've put some lemon salt on there and some grated garlic with a bit of olive oil, so it's all nice and ready to take on the rest of the seasonings that I will be adding. But just let me say this before we start the seasoning: you can just go in with some salt and black pepper. You don't have to put any of these seasonings that I am using. It is to my taste, so please tailor it to your taste. I'm using all-purpose seasoning, garlic and paprika, some angel wings seasoning, ground ginger, cayenne pepper and garlic granules. And this is just a new seasoning I came across this week, so I'm trying it out. As I said, tailor it to your taste. And in this bowl is all of the seasonings that I've just showed you. So we're just going to mix all of that up. I'm just going to sprinkle it over generously. Right, we are just going to mix it in. Right, so it's all nicely combined. And once we've done that, we're just going to set it aside and just give it about 15 to 30 minutes. Longer if you have the time. Overnight would be awesome, but as we're busy parents, people, we don't always have the luxury to do it overnight, so 15 to 30 minutes will suffice. But I've got to add some black pepper, good grinding of black pepper, and give that a good stir around to get it all combined. Lid on and into the fridge. Let's make the cola glaze. I'm going to use about 2 cups because I'm using 1.4 kg in weight of wings. I'm adding both light and dark soya sauce. Tablespoon of green seasoning, about 2 of honey. We're going to add some jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon, ketchup, and yes, some gochujang. I love it and I use it in my cooking. I've been using it for years and I'm not going to stop. A teaspoon. And finally, some mustard. Good old English mustard. And that's all I've got left. And that's what I'm putting in. I'm going to give that a little stir. And then we're going to set that aside until it's time to add it to the wings. So I'll see you then. It's time to fry the chicken wings. I've heated this pan up and I've got some olive oil in there. So we are going to fry them up for about 2 minutes aside. Right, so we're going to let those fry for about 2 minutes on each side, and then we're going to flip them over. And I've still got some more left to fry. So once I've fried them all, I will be back up. Time to transfer and go into the wok. This is what they're looking like. Now, all finished. Time to add the cola sauce that we made earlier. I'm just going to submerge them into the sauce. We're going to put a lid on there and we're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to take the lid off and cook it again for 15 minutes until the sauce is reduced right down to a sticky type glaze. See you back in 15 minutes, and that's on medium low. Okay, so see you soon. Okay, that's what they're looking like after 15 minutes. The kitchen is smelling so beautiful. All the flavors, spices. Right, we're going to give that another 15 minutes until the sauce is reduced right down to a sticky consistency. If it needs a little bit more than 15 minutes, I will give that. So I will see you back. But don't forget to give it a little stir intermittently. Okay? See you soon. Look at this. It tastes absolutely amazing. I couldn't resist trying one. Those Caribbean flavors in there are just popping. Right now, we're gonna turn the heat off. Have a really good look at this. This is perfection in a pot. Just going to let that cool down before I plate up. Time to plate up. Right, so we're going to put some spring onion, just the green parts. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes on the top as well. Just for an extra bit of a kick. Not that it needs it, but yes. Just going to sprinkle a little bit of shredded ginger on the top as well. And there you have it, guys. My cola chicken wings with a Caribbean vibe to it. Those beautiful Caribbean flavors. These are incredibly irresistible. They are so tasty. Please try them. Wow. Enjoy.